Okay, everybody. So now we're going to look at using the question type drop down in our Google form. So let us add a new question, and we do that by this little plus here, and we add a new question. Oops, our new question went below it. Let me bring it above it so that we can get a better look. All right. So we have a question and we have the options. These are the different question types that we have, and we're going to select drop down. Why would we want to use drop-down? Drop-down is very similar to multiple choice, but we would select drop-down over multiple choice, especially when we have a lot of options. So let us say we had, we asked a question like, let me type this question, which parish are you from? Let us look at a question like this. Now, this question is going to have 14 different options. If we put 14 options as multiple choice, it's going to make the question very long. It really would be a better choice to use drop down. So here we would put which parish are you from, and we would put the options here, just like we did in the multiple choice. St. Andrew, let's go down. Kingston, Thomas. And we would go down and put in all the options that we have. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've put in all the 14 parishes. Now, if you look, if somebody's doing this test, they would have to scroll down. It would really be too many options. So the best option is drop down. All right, let us take a look at what the doer of the form is going to look at. Which parish are you from? Now they're just going to have to select and pick whichever one they're from and put the answer in. So it takes up much less space. It's a much neater way of doing that type of multiple choice. So let's go back and look at what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Then for you to put in the answer for a question like this, there wouldn't be a correct answer. But let us say you did have a question that had many options and you were selecting the right answer. You would just click answer key. You would click what the right answer is. You'd make sure you'd put on your points and you would click done. All right. So that's basically, and then the other thing is you can put if the question is required or not. But the question that I asked here, there wouldn't be a correct answer, but there are questions that you would be able to select the correct answer. And that's basically the difference between a drop down and a multiple choice. Both very useful question types to use in Google Forms. Okay, everybody, each one teach one.